everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making these very easy silk thread earrings. So let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet by clicking on the subscribe button. Then click on the bell button and then select all option so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So first I have already made these silk thread bunches. If you don't know how to make them, then you can find the link in the description box. Now I'm taking this clipboard and I'm taking all three silk thread bunches and I clipped it on. Now separate them and start making the braid. You can find link in the description box for this, and I have completed doing this now. As you can see. Now I'm taking this earring base. This costs 10 rupees per each packet. I bought this from local shop. And you need this to make the earring. This is what they look like. I forgot to mention this earlier. You need to seal this portion using liquid glue, or you can also use fabric glue. Now what we have to do is we have to wrap this around the base like this. Let's do that now. You can use fabric glue or liquid glue. Both will work. Now this portion we need to cut off. Continue wrapping it. Add glue so that it will stay there. And at the end you can just cut it. And you can use the remaining for the other earring. So now this is done, whoops. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to take this dome kind of shape. This is a flower. This we get it ready-made in local shop. Now just stick it on top using liquid glue or fabric glue. Take any bead and insert this stick into it and insert it through like this. One more bead I am going to insert. Remember one thing, that the bead's hole shouldn't be so big or else it will fall out. Now you can use a hook or a stud. This is a stud from an old earring. You can use any of them. So today I am going to use this stud. First I am going to cut off some portion like this. Now we'll insert our stud through. And secure it. Don't forget to make the other one in the same way, and our cute silk thread earrings are ready. Do try it and let me know in the comment section. Bye!